Okay, guys, everybody's asleep. I'm gonna do my haunted house tour. So, I'll start with the fireplace. Let me get a good. I asked if you guys wanted to see it on YouTube, and everybody was like, yeah. So, here that is. Okay, so down here we have a lot of little stuffies from like when the kids were younger. And people bought it for them. We have some little haunted books here, my favorite. These are little flashlights, but we don't have any batteries in them. A lot of scrapbooks I've done, more scary stories. And then I made a lot of these. Oh, I've had the fan going, and when the fan goes, it starts blowing stuff. So a lot of these were cutouts, printables. Then we have up here, actually, let me try to zoom in. See, the fan has knocked this guy off. Gosh, I hope you guys can see. There's those. This is so cute. I love this thing. Let me try to fix it. The fan. So I found this cool little printable, and then I've had an old frame, and I just made that. Here's my little ghost ladies. No, my witch ladies. I'm so short, you guys. Maybe I could do with this. Maybe that would help. There we go. I got a new little nutcracker this year. There's my head I got. Aren't those so cute? The little books from the Dollar Tree. And my head over here. So let me do another overview because I'm so short. And I'm so sorry. So that's what that looks like. And then I bought her at Home Goods this year. She's so cute. She sits there. That's usually my cat's spot. He loves that spot. I got this at an antique store. It was just the case. So I put pillows in it. Oh, that's his haunted house, you guys. Look at his little haunted house. I got that at Aldi the other day. I got more blankies. More pillow. That's his little blanket he loves. I got this at an antique store, and they came with matching things too. All my fall candles that I've been using. There's those over there. Okay, I'm gonna go slow. That's more holiday stuff I need to put away. It has all of my oh my gosh, paper goods, like all of my paper plates. There's that. Some good little ghosties. Look at that. There's a ghost. Now these, or that's a little bit. These were the ones that matched that one thing out there. Look at him, isn't he cute? There's that. And then all these, I'm telling you, I have so many things from when I was little that my mom gave me. This little thing. Isn't that cute? I got those this year at Five Below. My house is completely cluttered with Halloween. Completely and utterly out of control. Hi. Cluttered. Look at that. I put some candy in there. I love that candy. So there's my window in my kitchen. There's another sign. More little hanging things. And then here's this little area. I love this little area. Look at that. I got this year from TJ Maxx. Look at all these little pumpkins going on. I love that candy. I haven't had any. I'm dieting. I've been on a diet for like 6-8 weeks or something. That's Walmart. And then I'll show you, look at that. So there's this. There's some of that. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Oh my gosh. I have a haunted TV. I have a Michelangelo body that I got at an antique store. Ahead, there's my skull. So I put him up here, and then some other haunted TVs. And then I made this so many years ago out of Dollar Tree stuff. I made that with my silhouette. I made this. It's a little paper hearse with the little, he looks like the guy from Rocky Horror, but he's like the little Undertaker. And that coffin can go in there. I collect so much stuff, you guys. I'm telling you, a lot of this is from when I was little. Not everything, of course. This is all of the little, I think I got it from Dollar Tree on that tier. That is new. That came from at home. There's that part. And then I made, I'll show you on the other side. I made this. Inside is that. It's a little house. And here's on the front. That came from Michael's years ago. And then here's my little haunted tree house. Isn't that cute? Got that at Michael's. And here's the other side. So cute. Okay, I think that's everything in here. Look at all that. Look at all that. Oh, my little black cat guy right there. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I'll show you. Yeah, I gotta figure out what to do with this tote. It has like all my like serving stuff, you know, for Halloween. Okay. So it's just been sitting there. Here's this little area. I did that. It's like a little tarot type reading thing. There I am. Hi. Okay. And then oh, here, let me get down here. So this guy's gonna go outside. I have stuff outside too. He has tea lights and stuff. And then there's my pretty pumpkin area. Okay, ready? Here comes the black cat. Okay, I have more. I'm gonna try to show everything, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna step down one more time and then give you an overview. He lights up, but I did not light him up. This is a little skirt from when Jules was a little baby. So that's that. Oh, I gotta show you guys this. Hold on. If I turn her on, I gotta show you. I got to. I had to have this. I got this at Home Goods. Forgot to turn her on. Isn't she cool? Look. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so this is like a Walmart. I was gonna say, that's Michael's, yeah. These light up. I did not do that. I made this little fortune teller sign with my little palm reading right there. I love her face. Oh my god, I love her face. This actually was from Dollar General this year. I love him. I love him. Okay, that is so cool. My mom bought me that. That lights up, which I did not do. I'm gonna make, oh my gosh, broccoli in the oven. Okay, I made this. That little girl, I put her in a frame years ago. I think Kim got me those hands. I bought this at an antique store this year. Somebody made that. I got got this cool Scentsy, although when I opened it, it was broken. I used some glue, but that's a Scentsy. I made that little spell book back there. Another head. I love him. There's so many cool things. I got this at home this year. You have to watch this. Oh my god!
Holy beakers! I've got it! Aww.
Isn't he cute? So he's with the potions. And then we have this. Look at the little girl. And that. Hey, there he is. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the light. Oops, that's the porch light. Look at it, you guys. So I'm gonna have this, I'll turn on a couple more things for when the trick-or-treaters come, because this is the entryway. It's cluttered. I love clutter for Halloween. I love mismatch, hodgepodge, no rhyme, no reason. Oh, you guys have to see this too. Dang it, I keep turning the wrong light off. Okay, you ready? This is my doorbell. Isn't it so cool? Haunted Halloween. There's that. I'll open the door. What if there was someone on the other side? I would crap myself. It's getting so cold out, you guys. There's that guy. There's a little black cat. Look at those pumpkins, you guys. Look at this guy. OMG. I cannot. He scares me. And then I have little things in the trees. I don't like that. That guy scared the crap out of me. There's that. Come on. That sounds like a haunted house door. Oh boy. Okay. So let's just do it one more time. And then you go up the steps. And then there's everything. I love it, you guys. I love clutter. Oh, I forgot to show you my TV. I have some little pumpkins. A haunted home is a happy home. That goes on the edge with my Edgar Allan Poe. Oh, I forgot. This house is really, it got busted up in storage, but I made an Amityville house. So that's my Amityville house. That's from a printable. I cut apart, and I got a Nosferatu and a, oh my gosh, Vincent Price. So they're little puppets. And then here's 2 scrapbooks I've made with from the past with pictures of the kids. I was gonna show you, I made that one from a printable as well. Like a cut apart. Just like a lot of these I got from a certain website. And I just printed them because I just thought that I had to have that Amityville house. He follows me everywhere. And I love that Nosferatu. And I just use a little brads and put them on stick. And then I just put them in there. Those are all from Dollar Tree. I think that's Michael's this year. Oh, he wants to be part of the show. So, I think that's it now. That should be it. And you can see that from here. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. He's the star of the show. This is his month to shine. He's gorgeous. I love him. I made him that bow. He's the best thing. Oh, look at him right here. He has a little tiny pumpkin. Tell everyone thanks for watching. He's gonna try to eat those. Ooh. Let me know what you guys think. I have fun. Don't look at that. That's cheer shoes. Ooh.